she go. I wanna be down.
Girl, welcome back to my channel. I never did anything like this before, but I think I look cute. Yeah, so if you want to look like me and look like a baddie, just stay tuned so you can see how I got this pretty horse on the back of my head. It's gonna be my first time attempting this, but I think I got it. Let's see. Oh yeah. I think I want mine. Like, I don't want it at the top. I don't want it real low. I think I want it. Yeah, I might should have flattered my hair. I think I want it about like right here. This really about to be very quick because I'm lying. Yeah, I definitely need to flatten my hair so it can blend better. I'm just gonna use my comb real quick so I can make sure that everything is smooth. And in place. So this might not be my official ponytail, but I'm just gonna put it on here so I can try to mold my hair together. So a lot of the videos I seen they was using Eco Styler gel, and they used Got to Be, and I think I'm gonna use the Got to Be because the Eco Styler gel might have my hair curling back up, and that's not what I want. First, I'm gonna start by just. Okay. I'm gonna do one side at a time. I'm gonna brush this back. Smooth it on back. Put a blow dry on. Just gonna take some rub in my hands and let's just go. Put my wrapper back on. I'm gonna have to go buy some more of these hair ties. They got a good stretch on them. Who am I? Okay. Should I go one more time? Who I'm tired? So for edge control, I'm using the Style Factor Edge Booster. Okay, yeah. I should have flat ironed my hair. If you have a lot of hair and you natural and it's thick like this, I suggest you flat iron. So I also got these from the beauty supply store, the wrap strips in black. So I'm just gonna use this to wrap it around my edges. Ouch. But first, I'm gonna spray some more after this. Just one more little time, just in case. Slick that back. Okay. I'm gonna go try to get this ponytail straightened out just a little bit more and I'll be back. Okay, so this is literally the best I can do. It's not much, but like I said, it's the best I can do. So, then we're gonna get on to the braid. So for my braid, I'm using the Easy Braid pre-stretched hair in 36 inches in the color number 2. But when you do yours, you get the color of your hair. So I'm actually gonna use 2 packs because I want mine to be a little more on the thicker side. Ooh, this might be a little challenging. Yeah, this gonna be crazy. Pick my hair for a second. Now, I'm gonna take one, bring it to the front, 2, and bring this side to the front, leave it in the back. Take my hair. And I'm really tripping because I need to leave some hair out. So, it look like a big witch. But yeah, I'm gonna use these. What I'm gonna do with these? Tuck this in here. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I need to turn this in. So I'm gonna take this and turn it so my hair can be more on the inside. Hope it's looking good, y'all. Okay, see my hair right here? So I'm gonna turn it in. Okay, so I got some brown on the end. We're gonna do that. So to add this in, I don't know if I like my braid. Why they look like that? Yeah, this is exactly why I can't do really thick braids, because my hands is starting to cramp. Jeez. Come on, let me make it through. Let me make it through. Okay, so I got it to my desired length, so I'm just gonna put a rubber band here and I'm gonna cut this part. Okay, so we're gonna take this piece that we left out. So cute. Comb it out. Take your got to be. You want to spray it. Push it out one more time. Then we're gonna start wrapping. tight, tight, tight. If you need to, put a bobby pin. I'm not gonna put a bobby pin in it. So you can see my hair sticking out right here. So I'm gonna get some edge control, rub the hands together, put that on, and I'm gonna slide it on inside. So I'm going on the other side, right here. Take some more edge control. Unnecessary hairs that's sticking out like that. Snip, snip. I can show y'all the finished look.